Welcome back to my channel, Journey to Health with Ceels. Welcome to joining me on the journey today. Now guys, you have been asking me for a cream to lighten and brighten dark spots, those hyperpigmentation and acne scars. Now guys, today is the day that I'm delivering on that commitment to you. I'm going to deliver a cream that's going to clear those dark spots, those dark, stubborn acne scars, and you're going to get clear, bright, beautiful skin. Now guys, I'm wearing yellow today because I'm so confident about this cream that it's going to take care of all those acne scars, those hyperpigmentation scars, and those dark spots that you're struggling with. If this is a video that you're interested in, come on over. I'm going to show you how to put it together and how to apply it for best results. Now guys, for our skin lightening cream today, I'm going to be sharing with you 2 recipes so that you have a choice. You can choose, you can test out both recipes and see which one works best for you. I'm aware that some of you might be allergic or sensitive to some of the ingredients, so do your patch test. As always, you do your patch test on the inner arm or behind your ear, and you let it stay there for approximately 24 hours. If there are no swelling, then you know you're good to go, guys. So choose carefully which one of these recipes works best for you, but they're both great recipes that would give you the lightening of your hyperpigmentation, your acne scars, and your dark spots. Guys, for the first recipe I'm going to be sharing with you, I'm going to invite you to come a little closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so the first thing that what we're going to be doing right now is going to be using turmeric. Okay, as you can see, turmeric. Okay, we're going to use just a pinch of turmeric. We're going to be using fresh almonds. We're going to be using honey, and we're going to be using raw honey today. We're also going to be using yogurt, and I like to use the Greek yogurt because it is so creamy and nice. And we're going to be using lemons. We're going to start by adding 1 cup of yogurt.
We're using yogurt in our DIY today because of its amazing skin lightening formula derived from the lactic acid ingredient.
We're also going to be using 1 tablespoon of honey.
We're using raw honey as an important ingredient in this skin lightening cream today. It works to eliminate dead skin cells that makes our skin look dull and aged. Raw honey is also helpful in healing our acne scars and dark spots. If you want brighter looking skin, use raw honey in your DIY today.
We're going to be using 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
Lemons are used in this DIY today because they're rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which help to brighten and lighten our skin.
All ingredients available in the kitchen, but they are powerful. These are effective ingredients that when combined will give you amazing results. Okay, we only need about a tablespoon of almonds.
Almonds are great for skin lightening. They are rich in vitamin E, which is primarily responsible for almonds' skin whitening and skin lightening benefits. Vitamin E is a great antioxidant, which helps to clear our complexion from deep within and also externally when used on the skin.
So we're going to be using about a tablespoon of grounded almonds. And guys, our final ingredient is going to be just a pinch of turmeric.
Turmeric inhibits the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for dark spots and hyperpigmentation. With regular use in our skin lightening cream today, it will fade blemishes and give your skin an even tone appearance. This antioxidant curcumin is also amazing in lightening hyperpigmentation and fight dark spots.
Sure, the almond and all the other ingredients are completely blended out into this mixture, and this is our skin lightening treatment number 1. And let me tell you something, guys, this is an amazing skin lightening treatment. So what you want to do, you want to ensure that you store it in an airtight container. Okay, and you're going to make sure you put it in an area where there are no sunlight, like in the refrigerator. You can store this 7 to 10 days. Make sure you use it up within that 10-day period. And you can use this on your skin every single day. It is that gentle on your skin, guys. This is amazing ingredients that we have here. So here you have it, guys. This is skin lightening treatment number 1. And I'm going to use it every single day on areas of my body that I want to lighten up. You know, guys, you know, our knuckles, our knee area, or anywhere we have dark spots, we can actually use this treatment, and we can use it every single day. Okay, so this is treatment number 1. Now guys, now for the second recipe. This is the sandalwood green tea skin lightening or skin brightening treatment. So here we go, guys. So here we go. We have our sandalwood powder. We're going to be using green tea, which I already prepared ahead of time. Just 1 tea bag immersed in about a 1/4 cup of water. We have our tomato. We're going to be extracting the juice from the tomato, and we have a 1/2 cup of cucumber, which I'm going to be blending to get the juice from it.
We're using cucumber in our DIY today because it's excellent at reducing dark spots. It contains astringent, lightening, and cooling properties and is effective at treating dark spots. It also boosts collagen levels in our skin and helps in cell regeneration.
It's time to put our sandalwood green tea skin brightening cream together. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of the sandalwood powder.
Sandalwood powder is an excellent natural skin lightening agent. It is used in many facial for the purpose of lightening and brightening the skin. Its healing properties helps to get rid of scars from wounds, blemishes, dark spots, and eczema.
Approximately 2 tablespoons of the cucumber juice.
We're using cucumber in our DIY today because it's excellent at reducing dark spots. Rich in lycopene, tomatoes help to remove stubborn dark spots as well as lighten the skin to give us a brighter and even tone complexion. Tomato also shrink large pores and diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
And then we're going to use approximately 1 tablespoon of the green tea.
Because of its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, green tea helps to clear hyperpigmentation by preventing the production of excess melanin and get rid of dark spots. Green tea is also effective at reducing melasma, a severe form of hyperpigmentation, and reduce the effects of sunburn on the skin by whitening the affected area for a more uniform, radiant skin tone.
Now guys, once this treatment is ready, which I think it is right now, you're going to be taking this mixture, you're going to be massaging it into your skin. Now this mixture is also good for the dullness of your skin, and you're going to be using this once every day. Now, as I said, guys, it's always good to do your patch test to make sure you're okay, but this is a powerful skin lightening, skin brightening treatment. This mixture is going to be very, very effective in reducing the dullness of your skin. Now, once you're finished with this, you're going to keep it on for approximately 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes has passed, you're going to use a plain washcloth, dip it in cold water to remove this from your face or from wherever you are. Guys, I've shared with you 2 amazing treatments to lighten dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and acne scars. Now guys, these 2 treatments are amazing. I have tried them out and I know that they work. There are many people who have tried them out and it has proven to be very effective. Give it a try, and if you're successful with any of these treatments, come back to this video. Let me know how it worked for you guys. And as always, we're here to bring you great content, great information, and if you have not already subscribed, I invite you to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and become a part of this amazing, growing YouTube family. Now until then, cheers to your great health and great looking skin. From Journey to Health with Ceels. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!